All right, my people, welcome back. Onto this, Igboho asked court to declare Yoruba Nation campaign legal. All right, my people, the news in details. The Yoruba Nation agitator Chief Sunday Adeyemo, popularly known as Sunday Igboho, on Friday filed a suit at the Oyo State High Court in Ibadan, demanding a declaration that the campaign of self-determination by Yoruba people in Nigeria is legal and a fundamental right. All right, my people. Meanwhile, in the suit filed on his behalf by his lawyer, Chief Yomi Aliyu San, Igboho sought a declaration that the federal government's resolve to prevent him from propagating his belief in Yoruba Nation in association with others was against his fundamental right to freedom of thought, conscience, and an association. Respondents in the suit are Attorney General of the Federation, the State Security Service SSS, and Director State Security Service Oyo State. Some of the relief sought by Igboho are declaration that the respondent resolute in preventing the application from propagating his belief in association with other like mind in creating a Yoruba Nation and or Ojudua Republic for his indigenous Yoruba people, and hunting him with gun with a view to arresting him dead or alive when he has not called for war in achieving same is against his fundamental right to freedom of thought, conscience, and an association, since campaign for self-determination is recognized by Nigerian law and an international treaties of organizations to which Nigeria belongs. All right, and then as it is, declaration that the applicant and his Yoruba indigenous people have unquestionable and then or inalienable fundamental rights to peacefully campaign and seek for self-determination of Yoruba tribe in Nigeria, and lobby the legislature to amend the CFRN 1999 as guaranteed by Article 20 of African Charter or Human and People's Rights Ratification and Enforcement Act Laws of Federation 2010, and then Articles 3, 4, 7, and 18 of the United Nations Declaration on the Right of the Indigenous People, made at its 107th plenary meeting of Thursday, 13th September 2007, thereby insulating campaign for self-determination from criminal culpability. All right, and then a declaration that apart from violating the fundamental right of the applicant to fair hearing, it is unequitable and then unfair for the second and third respondents to exhibit guns, ammunition, and then other dangerous weapons and incriminating documents in public and then claim that same belong to the applicant when their officers in actual fact shot their way into the house of the applicant. Salute. All right, and the lying and then being at Igboho's Villa 1, Dalag Street of Soccer Bus Stop, Soccer area of Lagos, Ibadan Expressway, Ibadan, without subjecting themselves and their convoy of vehicles to prior search by the applicant, who neither signed any inventory nor search warrant containing inventory to that effect. All right, my people, and then onto this, it said that a declaration that the media trial of the applicant by the second and third respondent in exhibiting prohibited and or illegal items as applicants before the press and live television is usurpation of judicial power reserved by CFRN 1999 for courts and violently violates the fundamental right of the applicant to be presumed innocent until proven guilty by a court of law recognized the said constitution and then properly constituted for that purpose. A declaration that invading or blocking the assets of the applicant and then putting the debt order on his bank account is a violation of his fundamental right to own property and wealth guaranteed by CFRN 1999 and Article 21 of African Charter on Human Rights and People's Rights Ratification and Enforcement Act, Laws of Federation 2010. All right, my people, this is not an easy thing. Okay, and it has been said that the federal government to legalize the Ojudua Nation agitation. That's another serious one. Well, my people, there is nothing that is too difficult for God to do. But as it stands right now, it has shown that majority of people are not happy with the situation on ground, and our prayer has been that the good Lord will vindicate Chief Sunday Igboho in no time, because this man has committed no offense, and he has been after making people smile, trying to make sure everybody is fine, and they look at what we have gone today. Well, a lot of things are being said so far. Well, our prayer remains that the good Lord will strengthen him and keep giving him wisdom, and will definitely in no time be vindicated. And then that has been our prayer onto this. Well, majority of things had been said earlier before now, but the fact remains that everyone will definitely be happy in no time. It's just a matter of time. Yes, it's just a matter of time, and everything will be better than the way it has been. And that has been it on this one. What more can we say? Well, let me have your take on this. And remember to subscribe for more updates. Thanks always.